Welcome back. I do believe I'm recording right now. So yeah, kind of a commute vlog, mostly because, well, it's windy as fuck. You know, it's in between gusts. As you can see, the clouds are moving quite fast for there not to be anything going on today. May have some sprinkles today, showers tonight, and then tomorrow's when the fun begins with the severe weather. Ice tomorrow night, and impossible blizzard conditions Saturday. There's the wind, Gus. It's quite windy for a day, like I said, for nothing really happening, but it's just signs of things to come. It's gonna be awesome, to be honest. But yeah, I'll do what I can here to capture what happens here on footage. And I want to say Weather Channel's going to name this Isaiah, too, so never know. Likely we'll end up with the name of Isaiah, mostly for the ice. But anyways, stay safe. And I will do what I can tomorrow night to keep you updated on this. And there may be a possible coupon haul video tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. I know a lot of you folks don't come here for the coupons. I'm pretty sure none of you do, but to be fair, I've been covering coupons on this channel long before I've been covering earthquakes and other natural disasters. So it's just something I've always done and will continue to do. Anyways, that's that. Stay safe. See you in the next video. Feels so nice. It's like 60 now in mid-January. Used to it being 60 below zero, but at least it's 60 above zero. Anyways, stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye.